If you're looking to create a timeless wedding invitation, a minimalist design is always a great choice. Let's get started. We'll begin by choosing a classic minimalist wedding invitation from the template library. The first thing I want to adjust is the visual hierarchy. I'm making the names smaller and moving them above the rest of the text. Even small layout changes can give a template a completely different look. Starting with a professionally designed template makes the process much easier. Instead of designing from scratch, you can focus on personalizing the layout and creating a style that feels unique. Now I'd like to introduce a new decorative element. I'll open the SVG library and search for floral line art. A simple botanical line illustration works perfectly with this minimalist style because it adds a decorative touch without overwhelming the design. I'll add this illustration to the invitation and position it so it complements the layout. Next, let's completely change the mood of the design with color. I'm changing the background to a deep dark green, then updating the text and decorative elements to white. This simple color combination creates an elegant, modern invitation while keeping everything easy to read. Changing just a few colors is often enough to give a template an entirely new personality. To create a more balanced composition, I'm duplicating the floral illustration and placing a second copy in the upper left corner. Repeating decorative elements like this helps frame the design and creates better visual balance without making it feel busy. These finishing touches are what help transform a good design into a polished professional one. The same approach works across countless wedding styles and other life event templates. Start with a strong foundation, make intentional design choices, and focus on creating a balanced, cohesive layout. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more design tips and template customization ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.